Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Paper Seasoning. This is Vistra and today we're going to make this craft doll. First I need to make out a pattern since this is a craft doll that I am designing myself. And the way I'm going to do this pattern, I kind of want a triangle on top and a triangle on the bottom, more like a trapezoid I guess. And that will be my design, so I'm just getting it laid out. Now that I have my design, I cut it out and I take each piece and I place it on the pattern, on the fabric. I did love this fabric. If you've seen previous videos, this is fabric I got from Sew Stitching Happy. And I am just going to cut out the fabric pieces, the pattern pieces, and sew the top to the bottom just as it was on the paper. And when you're done stitching the top part, you want to press your seams one way. I pressed mine to the top. And now I'm going to stitch them together, leaving an opening on the side. In order to do the flat part on the bottom, you have to line that side seam with the bottom seam and kind of stitch a triangle on the bottom. And you just want to snip across that line. You want to turn it to the right side and place your polyfill in and stitch the side close. Some scrap little pieces of fabric and I put some heat and bond light on the back to make little circles slightly larger than the buttons to make the background for the eyes. And now I'm going to stitch the buttons on, and I'm going to keep with my thread, which is embroidery floss. And I'm going to try to stitch a little nose, something that resembles what would look like a nose. And then I'm going to stitch the mouth, which I definitely want my craft doll to have a smile. No one wants a grumpy craft doll. Now you can see your doll is pretty much kind of getting a little personality. I did glue a piece of ribbon around the waist, and I've gotten some yarn and I'm going to try to stitch some hair. So I want my doll to have a little bit of hair, and I'm just grabbing up some yarn and going to just loop it around and stitch that hair in with some embroidery floss. And then I'm going to give her a slight haircut. I think I want to add a bow. I'm going to get a little piece of fabric and just try to make a little bow out of that and put on her little pigtail, or a ponytail, really. And I'm going to do that to both sides. And there, she is done. And now she can craft with me or be my little buddy as I'm crafting. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.